Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is snapshots. So here the snapshots are a point in time copy of your database, and snapshots are like backup of your data of a particular time, and later it can be used to restore and recover your database if required. Here we are going to deal with the MySQL RDS instance of the AWS cloud. RDS indicates the term relational database service that is used to create MySQL database or any relational database with the cloud service. If you want to know how to create the MySQL database with RDS and how to connect the same instance with the desktop application like MySQL Workbench, then you can watch the previous video. The link for the same is given in the description box. For this video, we are going to discuss about the snapshots and its applications. So let's start with the AWS console. So this is the dashboard for my RDS, that is Relational Database Service, and I am already having one database instance running in my account. So just check the database first. So this is the database that is up and running and available. Now let's check the snapshots. Currently I am not having any snapshots in my account, but if you want to restore a database at a particular time, then you can use the option of take snapshot. So just click take snapshot. Next you need to select your database instance for which you want to create a snapshot, and here I am only having one database, so it is taking it as default database. And next you need to provide the snapshot name. So database -1 snapshot, and click on take snapshot. So the snapshot is here in the list, but it would take some time for the complete creation as the status is still creating. So now the status is successfully created snapshot with the name database1 snapshot, and it has taken around 2 to 3 minutes for this creation, and the complete backup is here up to this time, and you can check the status as available. As the snapshot is created, you can use this snapshot to later restore your database of this point, and for this you need to select your snapshot, go to actions, and you have the option to restore snapshot, and this will simply create database of this moment. So just click on restore snapshot. Database engine name of the instance identifier means the name of the new database that you are creating after restoring the snapshot. Here database1 restore. Rest I am keeping it default, and simply we are not allowing the public access because this is just for the demo, and click restore database instance. Now I am having two databases because one is my original database and second is the database that I have restored from the snapshot. So this is the benefit of snapshot, where you can recreate or restore your database of that point. Now for the second method, let's try to delete this database. Go to action and delete. With the delete option, we are getting the option to create a final snapshot of your database. So here AWS is providing you the option to create a final snapshot of your database if you are deleting that database instance. So here you can give the name as final snapshot. It will retain the automated backups, and for confirmation simply write delete me. So this is the method of creating a snapshot. It will prompt you to create the snapshot whenever you try to delete a database. So it's deleting the database and it is restoring the database from first snapshot. Now let's check the snapshots in my dashboard. Now I am having two snapshots. First snapshot that I had created manually, and the second snapshot was created when I tried to delete the database. So this is the second snapshot that we can also use later to restore the database. Here it is still creating, and databases, it's still in deleting state because the database is not deleted properly, and the database one restore that we had created from the snapshot is still in the progress. Here we can see it is taking a bit longer time because it's deleting the database and also it's taking the snapshot. So these processes consume time, and the database restored from the first snapshot is still in modifying state, means it's not available yet. Here the status is available now. So the final snapshot that created after deleting the database is available now. Let's check the databases now. So the database is deleted. This is the database that I had restored from the snapshot. So this is how snapshots work. You can use the snapshot anytime to recover your database. So that's it for this video. Hope you have learned something. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.